Moi kaikki! Today I want to talk about the olla verbi. And I wanted to link this in with both puhekieli, pronouns, and regional dialects, which I have not really spoken about on my channel quite yet. The reason I chose the olla verbi to use as the example verb in this video is because I think it is one of the most important to really know, understand, and be able to use by yourself. And the puhekieli version of the olla verbi is very, very, very important to know because you'll hear it basically every day if you live in Finland and really pay attention. So I'll go over the kirjakieli way to say I am, you are, etc. And then I will talk a little bit about puhekieli and what the different regional differences might be. Elikkä olla verbi on englanniksi to be. Olla verbi on to be. As a quick recap, let's go through all the forms in kirjakieli. Minä olen, sinä olet, hän on, me olemme, te olette, he ovat. Hopefully this is quite easy. You've seen this before, you've gone over it before. If not, this is a good basis to kind of build off on. Now, I want to preface this by saying, me, Kat, I grew up in the Helsinki region. So like I've mentioned multiple times on my channel before, the types of puhekieli words that I use are commonly what you will hear around the capital city region. So the Helsingin pääkaupunkiseutu. Once you kind of go further throughout Finland, some small differences might emerge. Nothing too drastic or crazy. It's kind of like instead of saying you guys, someone will say y'all. Still understandable. Finnish people can understand each other, no problem. If you use the words I use, like the capital city region puhekieli, everybody will understand you no matter where you are in Finland. You're good. But it is worth pointing out that there are these regional dialects and differences with some words. What you'll probably first come across is the differences in pronouns. So I will first go through the olla verbi in all the different forms using what I would use in day-to-day life. So this is what would be quite common to hear in the pääkaupunkiseutu. So in southern Etelä-Suomi. Mä oon, sä oot, se on, me ollaan, te ootte, ne on. Elikkä, if you are moving to Finland and you are wanting to understand spoken Finnish, so in Finnish we call this puhekieli, I would say, especially if you will be staying around pääkaupunkiseutu, this is very important to know. Mä oon, sä oot, se on, me ollaan, te ootte, ne on. In a sentence, this might look something like, mä oon Suomessa, sä oot Suomessa, se on Ruotsissa. Me ollaan kotona. Te ootte kaupassa. Ne on metsässä. The negative form in kirjakieli would be minä en ole. Sinä et ole. Hän ei ole.
Me emme ole.
Te ette ole. He eivät ole. The spoken Finnish version in the capital city region, so what I personally speak, would be mä en oo, sä et oo, se ei oo, me ei olla, te ette oo, ne ei oo. In a sentence, this could be mä en oo Suomessa, sä et oo kotona, se ei oo Ruotsissa, Me ei olla metsässä. Te ette oo puistossa. Ne ei oo kävelyllä. For example. Okay, so this is the bulk of what I wanted to teach you about the olla verbi, which is tosi tärkeä osata. Now, the pronouns, when we're speaking, could differ from region to region. And I just want to show you this map of Finland that I found on Reddit, which I think is a pretty good map of how Finnish people say minä, depending on what area of Finland you live in. So as you can see, mä, which is what I use. You can see it used, if we zoom in, you can see it used Helsinki, Lahti, bit in Turku, over here towards the west a little bit, but it is quite on Etelä-Suomi, pääkaupunkiseutu, and the greater region word, mä, meaning minä. What you'll also notice is, okay, well, also in Western Finland, people seem to use mä, meaning double ä instead of just one ä. So mä meen kauppaan. Mä oon Suomessa. Mä en oo Ruotsis. Something like this. Speaking like this is considered more Turun murre, so Turku regional dialect, and also just in Western Finland in general, you might hear people saying mä meen ulos. Mä oon metsäs. Something like that. And then you might zoom in and be like, okay, some areas also just use minä. That's easy. And then once you travel more towards Eastern Finland, this yellow chunk here, you'll notice that people use mie. This is also used up north, eli Pohjois-Suomessa ja Itä-Suomessa. You'll hear mie. So you might hear someone saying like, mie oon Suomessa. Okay, or sie oot Suomessa. Mie and sie. To give you a good example, I want to show you a short clip from my friend's YouTube channel. Her name is Karita. She makes videos on YouTube as well, and she is from a city in Finland called Savonlinna. So if we look at the map, Savonlinna is quite east in Finland, and therefore she also has a more Eastern dialect. So I thought who better to show you how it sounds like than to just show you a small clip from her video and you can hear this for yourself.
Okei, ehkä mie nyt tähän alkuun kiitollinen mie on teistä kaikista.
So did you hear the pronoun use like mie? These are the types of pronouns you'll hear in Eastern Finland. And I do want to emphasize the importance of learning at least basic puhekieli, at least the common words that come up over and over again, pronouns, olla verbi, for example, because if you look at Finnish media, I know a lot of you are interested in suomalainen musiikki, suomalainen TV, elokuvat, other things like this, then you zoom in on the lyrics. A lot of the times they are in puhekieli. So for example, let's take this song by Bem, written in 2025, nimeltä Kaiken arvoinen. And we look at the lyrics and you can see, okay, actually a lot of it is in puhekieli. We have here oot, so sä oot, oon, mä oon, I am. So here in this song she is using the puhekieli olla verbi. And just in case you're wondering, why is she not using a pronoun in front of on? The reason for that is because in Finnish, here on the verb, you add the marker for who is doing the action. So on has n, which means mä oon. It's me that is being. So we already know without adding mä to the front who is doing the action. Same with oot. The T is marking sinä. So technically we don't even need sä in front. You can use it, but it's not necessary. The only one you have to use the pronoun is for hän and for he. Hopefully that made some sense. Kiitos tosi paljon kun katsoitte tämän videon. Please leave a comment if you have any questions or you found this topic interesting. I do want to speak more about puhekieli, maybe regional dialects, but to be honest, I'm not the expert on that, so I'm trying to do a bit more research on it. But kiitos tosi paljon, kun katsoitte tämän videon ja nähdään ensi videossa. Moikka!